This video is to inform you how to use PDF signature in BoloForms. First, you click on the PDF option on the BoloForms dashboard. Here, you can click to upload the PDF which you want to be signed. After that, you can give the name of the recipient and then the email of the signer. After that, you can also add the subject as well as the email body. After which you can click on confirm or either save as a draft. After you click on confirm, you will be led to another page where you can select the signer's name, drag and drop the box wherever you want the signature to be, and then press on send. After which your mail will be sent to the signer.